Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Joe Stunner Boxing. A quick update on Chris Eubank versus Frank Warren, all that litigation rumour and following Eubank's comments at the Bivol versus Beterbiev presser. Eubank, as you probably know, called Warren, Eddie Hearn and Kalle Sauerland scumbags, made accusations towards Warren that he lied and cheated for the last few decades in his business dealings. And Warren went on TalkSport and said, I've sued Eubank in the past and I'll be suing him again. Well, we have a happy ending of sorts, at least as far as Warren's concerned. I don't know about Sauerland or Hearn. Maybe they're still going to carry it further, but I don't know. But EUBANK Jr. made a statement yesterday. He issued a statement saying, following today's press conference for the historic Riyadh season event on October the 12th, I would like to retract my inaccurate statements and offer my apologies to Frank Warren, Eddie Hearn and Kalle Sauerland. I now wish to focus purely on boxing and preparing for a huge fight in Riyadh next month. To which Frank Warren issued a statement and said, I accept Chris's apology and retraction. I too have said things before and apologise to him also if any criticism of him has upset him in the past. I look forward to seeing him compete on this huge Riyadh season card. We look ahead to some potentially massive bouts in the future. So they're all mates again. It's amazing what, a little bit of love can do, isn't it? A little bit of understanding, a little bit of arm round the shoulder, a good group hug, Now, of course, this doesn't mean that Eubank didn't mean what he said, and it doesn't mean that Warren doesn't mean what he said in the past about Eubank, because Warren has said things about Eubank. Certainly on TalkSport, he called him a fraud, said he was, he was a fake and everything. I mean, could you argue that in itself is actionable? I don't know. But this is all handbags as far as I'm concerned. Look, Warren sued Eubank in the past. He said that on TalkSport. He said he picked up a couple $100,000 off him. All right. So he's kind of won the war, hasn't he? He's already sued Eubank. And so Eubank's going to be irate about that. But kind of, if I was Warren, Warren is such a hothead. Even now, I don't really know why. If you win, if you sue someone, you successfully sue them, and he himself has been sued before. Don King sued him back in the 90s. I think took about 9 million quid off him. Okay. I don't have any inside information. That may be not entirely accurate, but I know either he settled out of court or he lost. I think he lost a court case and ended up millions out of pocket. Then if you jump into bed with Don King back in the day, what do you expect? Anyway. Yeah. So it seems like they're all lovey-dovey again, and Eubank can go about doing his thing against Zeramatta. Is it Zeramatta? He is Zeramatta. Yeah. He's been out of the ring for a year, Eubank. So it will be interesting to see what he's got left. Is he 35 or he's about to turn 35? Yeah. But make no mistake about it, Eubank meant what he said. Of course he meant what he said. He's just backtracking to save himself a few $100,000. Because old Uncle Frank, he does like a writ, as we've said in the past, and has been mostly successful in suing people. There haven't been many occasions when he's been on the receiving end of a bad decision, shall we say, from the judges. So this seems to have been put to bed for now anyway. But again, Sauerland, and I don't think Sauerland or Hearn would take umbrage and sue Eubank, but you just don't know, do you? Yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd update you if you weren't aware. Comments below if you've got any. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the like button. And enjoy your day. I'll get you later. Bye for now.